Welcome back to DeezyVision. Happy Easter. We are here at the National Stadium here in Nassau for the official opening ceremony of the 2023 CARIFTA Games. Now, as you all know, we are celebrating 50 years of independence here in the Bahamas this year, and it is also the 50th CARIFTA Games. So it makes sense to have it here in Nassau. You know, you can buy two golden celebrations like that and you get a perfect event. So we're here for the official opening ceremony of the 2023 CARIFTA Games. All of the athletes are here and they are fired up and ready to go, and the Bahamas is coming to win all the gold, because that's our theme this year: come gold with us. So if you're ready, come on, let's go. All right, we made it through the gate and now we're heading to the main section of the stadium. We're gonna go inside the actual stadium, and I'm expecting a big crowd today to officially open this year's CARIFTA Games. I came out early, and the event is starting at 4. And I'm here. As I look at my clock just now, it's about 3:48. So I'm here just a little early. I was here earlier than this actually, but at the time that I checked my clock, it was 3:48. We got a little crowd that's already here. I'm expecting more as time goes on. The event is scheduled 4 to 7 p.m. So I expect the crowds to really start trickling in between the hours of 4 and 5. And I feel there'll be way more people here by in the next hour.
Betsy. I hope you're feeling fine as well. The protocol has already been established. I shall proceed. For half of a century, CARIFTA has been a beacon of hope, an inspiration and a testament to the talent, passion, and resilience of young athletes from across the Caribbean. It has brought together the best of the best, creating a platform for them to showcase their skills, making lifelong friends, and breaking social, economic, and racial barriers in its path.
I was born, like you say, I used to kind of movie. Okay, I was a doctor, I was okay. I used to come like turn, fine.
Have you already forgotten? You forgot that you tried to raise me in February? You remember what happened?
No, I do not remember. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, maybe the footage will jog your memory.
Ha! So I did the footage before we come here. You get embarrassed me for us to work. Okay? I did that. Alright, let's keep the train running, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get some entertainment. Are you ready for some entertainment? Ladies and gentlemen, up next, enjoy the human expression in song and dance by Small Town.
opening ceremony for the 50th CARIFTA Games is now over, and they said that they have a little village set up on the opposite side of the stadium, opposite from where I was seated. So let's go take a look at the village that they have set up and see how it looks. Right, I see they have this nice setup out here, the CARIFTA torch and a CARIFTA sign here. Looks pretty nice. I just thought I'd show this before I continue to look for the village. And they have an amphitheater set up over here where they're going to be doing today and Sunday. Bahamas Harvest Church is going to be doing some special services out here at this amphitheater for the Easter. Alright, so while out here in the village, I ran into a place called Smoke House, real Bahamian barbecue, and they got this big old smoker. And if you were watching carefully, I showed you a little bit of one of the grill masters cutting up some ribs, and so I got this turkey leg, and the people that were around when I got this, they said that this here is life changing. And so I'm gonna try this today because I'm a little hungry after sitting in the stadium all evening. So I'm gonna try this turkey leg and see what it do. And as I was breaking it away, it slid off the bone. Oh boy! There we go. It is very tender, and the turkey is well seasoned. Now I don't know how long you had this in that smoker, but it came out very good. Like I say, the meat is sliding off the bone. Yeah, this is it. This is my first time actually trying anything from Smokehouse. They've been around for a minute, but we never got an opportunity to try their stuff. So when I saw them here in the village, I said, let me go ahead and get some Smokehouse in my life, and it was well worth the start. This is good. That does it for today's video. 50th CARIFTA Games are officially opened, and they're going to be in action tomorrow. Now, I'm making this video on Good Friday, and if you know about the Bahamas, you know that Easter is one of the longer holiday weekends that we have because we celebrate Good Friday, then we have Easter Sunday, and then Easter Monday is another holiday. And so the CARIFTA Games, they are officially open. They'll be starting tomorrow, which will be Saturday, going until Easter Monday. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, show some love to the channel. If you haven't as yet, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe right now, and make sure you check out all the links that I left in the description section for you. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. And before I forget, I gotta shout out Smokehouse Grill. That food was amazing. Go ahead and check out Smokehouse Grill. All right, don't forget, go ahead and check out Smokehouse Grill. Food is amazing.